Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting Sbv subtitles to Srt subtitles. On my computer you can see I have Sbv file. I can double click on it to open, and it's a Sbv viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of Sbv file, and you can see I have subtitles in here, and also I can export the subtitles into different format as well. But I will be using this file to convert it to Srt subtitles. I can scroll down. Yeah, start time, end time in milliseconds. Yeah, so all subtitles are here. Let's go download application and convert it into Srt. So I will download application from this website, Sbv. I will leave a link to the site into description below. To find the application, I will click on search and type Sbv To Srt, and I need this page. Click on download button and wait until archive will be downloaded. I will be recording more videos on how to convert different Sbv files, and also so if you are interested how to convert Sbv files into different formats like CSV, text, Word, Excel, etc. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, I will leave a link on Sbv viewer free app into description to this video. Yeah, sometimes Google Cloud shows that it cannot, servers are busy, they cannot scan files, so I will just click on download anyway. But it's good saying that they're scanning. At some point a file will be scanned, so while downloading anything from Google Cloud, you can be sure that there is nothing harmful in there. Yes, so we are waiting for archive to be downloaded. Yeah, one disadvantage is that it's really slow. I mean, not really slow, but there is a pause between your requested file and file being downloaded, because it's usually it's being scanned. So I see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher. With Microsoft you can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen, and you can see I have the new application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will select input file we would like to convert, so I click on this select input file button, navigate to my subtitles folder here, and select Sbv file I would like to convert. I can select multiple files if I'd like to have multiple files converted. Also, this application can be run from command line if I want to convert multiple files or all files in directory. On that website there is a, if you on that page that I downloaded, there is a instruction on how to run application from command line. So click on next step. After all files selected, there are no conversions option here yet. I'll just click next step, and on the final step I click run to create a Srt file. It's asking me for name and location of a Srt file. I'll click save, and let's go and see file. So I can open a Srt file into a Srt viewer. It's another free app. It's showing what is inside of a Srt file and allow me to export into different format. But you can see it has all subtitles are exported, and we have a Srt file here. Also, I can open it with Notepad just to show you what is inside. And inside there is a Srt file with all subtitles and timing, and all formatting is here. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.